Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's kitchen. Today we are making garlic and herb leg of lamb. For this recipe we are using a 4-pound easy carb semi-boneless leg of lamb. The benefits of getting a semi-boneless leg of lamb is that the bone from the top part of the leg has been removed for easy carving. Now, in a small food processor, add in 14 cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of fresh rosemary, 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme, 6 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 2 teaspoons of salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper or to taste, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce. The Tabasco sauce is not going to make it spicy, it's going to give it a nice kick. Then process the whole thing until it turns into a paste. After a couple of minutes, it should look just like so. Now pour the garlic paste over the leg of lamb. Go in with clean hands, of course, and make sure you rub the garlic paste all over the leg, inside and out. The part of the leg that is boneless, make sure that with your fingers you stuff some of that garlic paste inside. We'd want this leg of lamb bursting with flavor from the inside out. Cover with plastic wrap, and for a full flavor leg of lamb, keep in the fridge and marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Before roasting the leg of lamb, bring it out of the fridge and keep it at room temperature for at least 1 hour. Now, at the bottom of your roasting pan, add in 1 medium-sized onion, 2 carrots, and 1 celery rib. To that, add in 1 cup of beef broth. After your leg of lamb has rested at room temperature for at least 1 hour, place over the rack. Now roast at 350 degrees for about 1 hour and 45 minutes, or until the internal temperature of 135 to 140 degrees is reached, for medium rare to medium. And if everything goes according to plan, your garlic and herb leg of lamb should look like this. Let the leg of lamb rest for at least 30 minutes before carving. While the leg of lamb is resting, let's go ahead and make the gravy. While the roasting pan is still hot, add in 2 cups of beef broth. And what you want to do now is to deglaze the bottom of the pan, just like so, getting all the brown bits. That's where all the flavor is. Pour the liquid into another container and you may get rid of the vegetables at this point. Now, in a saucepan over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Go ahead and give that a stir and cook off the flour for about a minute or so. Then pour in the liquid from the roasting pan. Simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the gravy thickens. Go ahead and remove the twine before carving. We are serving with roasted potatoes and the amazing savory homemade gravy. Once the leg of lamb has rested, go ahead and carve for a juicy, delicious, and moist leg of lamb. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, garlic and herb leg of lamb. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.